Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Zartashia Ahmed, your grade 7 English teacher, and this is my first lesson of the series of 2 lessons. The topic that I have selected today is idioms. Do you know what are idioms? Well, idiom is a phrase whose meaning is not obvious from looking at the individual words. Idioms have developed over time and so they might seem random to you. Learning common idioms in English will help you fit in with the most situation, whether it's at a basketball game, studying, attending a party, or going out. Because idioms are so often used in everyday English and they are really very nice conversational tool. So let's start.
Oh, yummy! This piece of cake looks so delicious. Can I eat it?
No dear, this piece of cake is not for eating. Piece of cake is an idiom which means very easy to handle or do.
What happened to these cats and dogs? They are pouring down like rain. Is this a new kind of rain?
Yes, it looks that it's raining cats and dogs, but this is not a new kind of rain. It's raining cat and dog is also an idiom which is used when it rains heavily.
Ha 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 ha! Oh, Froggy, he's looking so ridiculous. Did he sell his one arm and leg to buy a car?
Oh, come on, you don't know any idiom? To cost an arm and leg means a thing which is very expensive. So I hope now you know the meaning of the idiom to cost an arm and a leg.
I love this picture and I would also like to be on clouds.
Yes, sure, why not? You are mostly on cloud 9 as you enjoy things and are always in a happy mood. So my dear students, I hope you know the meaning of to be on cloud 9. If you don't, then I tell you it means to be extremely happy and blissful, euphoric, serenely contented. As the example also says, Grant finally got his high school diploma last Wednesday. He's been on cloud 9 ever since. I think all of you must be tired now and would like to take some nap. Nap means rest and would not like to be disturbed. So let's have a cat nap, which means taking a short sleep or to doze off. I hope you are fresh now after taking the cat nap, and now it's time for assignment. The assignment is easy. You have to use these idioms in sentences. Do the work and goodbye till next time.